Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 1 hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and as we can see that DXY is trying to recover after hitting the support of 105.30. So 105.30, 105 will still play a big role as support, but keep in mind market has already tested 105.30 level twice. So next time there's a high chance that market will try to cross 105 level and take support somewhere around 105 or 105.90 and go up again. 105 is a very crucial support for DXY, because if DXY breaks 105 level, then things will change drastically. And as you can see that right now DXY is trying to recover, but there is not much crazy buying going on. Okay, so to be honest, okay, I'm not getting a good vibe. Okay, so two important levels for DXY are 105.30, 105 as support and 108 as resistance. We have NFP coming up, so yes, market may show some extreme volatility during the NFP. Okay, but before that, I think market will stay within this range only. Now let's have a look at the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. As you can see that I have marked many levels, so let's try to understand one by one. First of all, we can see that GBP USD is right now in a downward direction. We have a trend line at the top which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and if I remove the trend line, okay, then also you can see that we have 50 moving average which is also acting as the dynamic resistance for the market right now. So the first trading opportunity is if market goes up during the day, and if you see reversing from the resistance, you can go for a sell position. As this is a dynamic resistance, so yes, there is no exact figure, but still you can expect it to reverse from 1.2010, 1.2020, around this level. Okay, you can expect the market to reverse, and moreover we have also a previous support around this area. So previous support will now act as resistance, and secondly we have the dynamic resistance in the form of trend line and the 50 moving average. So if we combine both the factors, there's a good chance that market may reverse. Okay, if extreme volatility doesn't come, if market remains like this, if the volatility of the market remains like this, then yes, we can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses, then only take a sell position. If you see market going up and showing price rejection from above, shooting star pattern, then only go for a sell position. In case market breaks it, okay, in case market breaks it, then the next resistance will be around, from where you can expect to take a sell position, are 1.2050 and 1.2100. These two are the levels from where you can expect to take a sell position if market breaks the trend line. The reason is previous price rejections around this area. Okay, we have seen good amount of price rejection around this area, so definitely we can expect that if market goes up, also market will face some selling pressure around this area. If market reverses, we can go for a sell position, and it looks like it resembles a descending triangle pattern right now. And usually in descending triangle pattern, we see market breaking the support and going down. So right now 1.1950, 1.1930 is playing the role of a support here, but in the coming days there's a high chance that market will break the support and go down, because market is constantly forming lower highs. Lower highs signify the increase in number of sellers, increase in selling pressure, and if market breaks this support, then the next support is 1.1840, and we have derived this support with the help of Fibonacci retracement here, because right now we can see around 1.194050 we have Fibonacci 23.6%. If it fails, then Fibonacci 38.2 will come for the rescue, that is 1.1840. And the best support, or the biggest support on the chart of GBP USD is 1.1780, 1.17545, and the reason is because of previous strong price rejection around this level, as well as we have Fibonacci 50% retracement. So if we combine both the factors, this makes 1.1780, 1.174045 a very strong support level for the market. In case in the coming days GBPUSD starts falling, then we can expect that this level has the potential, has the strength to bounce the market. So my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And there's a Forex masterclass. My workshop will be from tomorrow onwards. So my dear friends, if you really love my work, then you can consider joining the workshop, because I don't know when I'll be conducting the next workshop. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then just check out the link in the description, because the workshop is conducted in both Hindi and English language. And after the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month. Okay, unbelievable offer. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop for 2 hours every day. Hopefully love it. Please check out the link in the description. Bye bye.